Hello everyone, Colton Tackett on Sonic and OKKO Fanatic 2020 here, and welcome to another video. So, in this video I want to talk to you about something. So, many people have been using Windows XP over the years, and yeah, even when Windows XP was out of support, which still is now, and it always will be, but it's still usable anyway, so that's good. I mean, it's such a shame it's out of support, but you know, I still use Windows XP even though it's out of support. But the thing is, using Windows XP in 2020, that's what this video is going to be about. So, I'm very excited for this. Are you? Great. So, you know, if you have seen these videos about Windows XP in my previous channel, well, no, not previous channel, I mean, previous videos on this channel, I meant to say. So yeah, on this channel, you may have seen previous videos about the Dell Dimension 4600 on my channel. And that's what computer I'm going to be using for Windows XP in this video. Like always. So, about it, you know, it runs Windows XP Home Edition. And, you know, that's a very cool thing. So, we're going to be using Windows XP Home Edition on the Dell Dimension 4600. And this video title will be called Using Windows XP in 2020. So, yeah. Just to let you know, viewers, that there's going to be a 2020 edition of my Dell Dimension 4600 walkthrough coming in April of this year. So, when that month comes, like probably in around the middle of April, I'll probably start the walkthrough. So, hopefully you guys will be very excited for April. So anyway, with that being said, let's go to the computer and see what we can do. Okay, so now here we are, and this is the Dell Dimension 4600 right here. And yeah, it runs Windows XP Home Edition. Focus, come on. Well, I can see it fine. I'll be fine with that. So yeah, there's speakers, and yeah, there used to be an old Dell monitor right there. Like, it's hiding. Well, the Dell monitor, it's like right there between those two boxes. But, you know, it's broken. We can't use it anymore. Yeah, I had to get the camera on focus because it won't focus correctly. It still won't focus whenever I try to do this. There we go, now I see it. Okay, so now, yeah. But about this monitor, it's replaced with this ViewSonic monitor. So, yeah, there's a Dell keyboard, Dell mouse. So, we're going to see about this computer, and we'll see how we'll use Windows XP in 2020. So, let's turn it on the computer. And let's also turn the speakers on. Good old Dell screen. The Dell startup screen. I love that screen a lot. I missed it so much. I missed it so much, actually. So, man, I can't believe, I mean, like, we got back to using this computer in, like, April of 2018. It's still a good computer. But now using this basement, it's really, really good. I'm very glad we're back to using it. So we're going to log in my account. So let's go. Oh, frick, count. Oh, oops. Let's go. Okay. Now, about the theme I'm using, it's going to be a different theme. It's going to be an OKKO Let's Be Heroes theme. I mean, there are some sounds that probably might be from Super Mario Logan, but you'll see. So, here it is, the OKKO Let's Be Heroes theme, which is the startup sound. Also, as you can see about that welcome screen right here, it's very nostalgic. I'm glad we still see it nowadays when we use Windows XP all the time. Man, can't believe I'm still using Windows XP in this kind of year. Man, in a new decade, we're still using Windows XP. That's a very nice thing. Oh, and look, there's the desktop background for it. I mean, I made this theme on my own, and you know, the startup sound for it is the OKKO Let's Be Heroes theme song. And you know you know about the you know about the shutdown sound. The shutdown sound is the Windows NT 5.0 startup sound in reverse, which the reverse, you know, the shutdown sound that I had on this theme, the shutdown kind of creeps me a little, like, it kind of creeps me out a lot, actually. But, you know, it's alright. So, now about the sounds on this theme, most of these sounds are actually from Super Mario Logan. I don't know why, but, I almost forgot to tell you guys about a shout out. I'm giving out a shout out to YouTube user sulca, who is actually now known as Sonic Sulca. So, yeah, I'll be putting that in the description. I'll put the shout out in the description just to let you know. Anyway, it's gonna take a little long for this computer to get its desktop taskbar and the icons, so we'll be right back after this gets taken care of. Okay, so there's the taskbar, and there's also the recycle bin icon. Yes, that's the only icon shown, because I had to clean up the computer. But you know, sometimes you just have to do it. Like, I mean, I would much rather make my own folder full of icons, but no time for that, because only the recycle bin's shown. But whatever the reason, I think to start off, we're gonna take a look at the screensavers. So we'll take a look at that. Oh, and by the way, take a listen to the menu pop-up and menu command sounds. Take a listen. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Is it gonna pop up? Come on. I want to hear it. How long is it gonna take? I'm just saying. Hello? Pop up, please. Come on, pop up right now. Okay, this is gonna take a little long. I don't know why. Pretty please, with sugar on top. Okay, come on, pop up, please. I want you to, so it's, oh, there it is. But is it gonna make the sound? Okay, there it is, there it is. Why? Okay, I like that. Okay, now we're gonna try to click on properties. Where's the sound? Why? Yeah, I had to make those as my own sounds for this desktop theme. I mean, like, I was too lazy to put in, like, the actual OKKO sound effects, but that's okay. There's no need for you to freaking do this to me. I mean, this will still make a good theme, actually. Anyway, screensavers, we're gonna take a look at those. Alright, so, I think about this, yeah, there are screensavers in here. There are most Windows operating systems that have screensavers. You know, like, Windows 98, 2000, Vista, and this operating system, XP. Excuse me, I just had to do it. But anyway, screensaver. Once again, it's going to take time, so give me a second. Wait, what's that doing here? This is a lot of security news. Those are the same security news, like, back in 2008, so I don't know how those got popped up. I'm gonna try to close these. Why do these keep popping up? I don't... Once again, it's going to take time, so give me a second. Okay, so I had to... What the frick? Why do these keep popping up? This is annoying. Come on, get out. Alright, so... I got rid of all the notifications for the Embark, whatever that is. I mean, I don't know why they keep popping up. It's just, I don't know. Something gone. Come on, get out. So, anyway, these are the Windows XP screensavers. I want to tell you all of them, so we're going to show you all. We're going to start off with 3D Flower Box. Yeah, sometimes the computer gets slow. Sometimes I don't know if I can handle that. This computer is pretty old, but really. I don't know why it doesn't want to cooperate that much. Alright, there it is. There's the 3D flower box right there. See that? It's a little bright. I'm going to turn down the brightness a bit. There it is. Yeah, the brightness does look a bit different now, so... Now we're going to take a look at 3D flying objects. And there's the Windows logo. Windows XP. Alright. Moving on, we're going to take a look at 3D pipes. So, oh, it's, okay, there we go. Look at that, that's pretty cool screensaver right there. I don't really change screensavers that much on this, but still cool. This is really cool. Alright. Now we're going to take a look at 3D text. And, you know, this said Sonic Boom Fan 101 in here, but I'm going to change it. So, yeah. So I've changed it, so let's take a look at it. Oh, frick. Come on. There we go. Pretty cool, isn't it? Change the brightness back down a bit. Now we're going to take a look at the next one. This is Beziers. I think that's how you say it. Right, come on, preview it. Alright, thank you. So, sometimes the mouse doesn't want to cooperate with me. Cool. There's a blank screen. Jask Paint album, Paint Shop photo album. Now this was a downloaded screensaver that my mom had. This is on all the accounts, so you can take a look at the screensaver if you want to. Adjust Wizard. Animal Red Eye. Now this one's gonna be a little loud, so I'm gonna turn down the speaker a bit. I think that's close enough anyway. I think I've seen enough, so let's move on to the next one. Photo album 5 next. Okay, sometimes the computer just wants to be slow on these screensavers whenever I get ready. I'm gonna turn down the volume on the speakers just in case, because I know that it's gonna pop up anytime soon. Okay, I think we've seen enough here. Now, we'll take a look at Marquee. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change that. Give me a second. Now let's take a look at it. Oh. See that? I changed the text too. We're gonna have to change the color though. Wait, you format text. Wait, it was originally at fuchsia? Have it blue. Lucky thing I can see it. Alright, my picture slideshow. Yep, that's one of the pictures I took. Mystify, which is also known as Mystify Your Mind, which was, you know, Mystify Your Mind was from Windows 98. And next up, Starfield, which is actually known as Flying Through Space from Windows 98. I like this. I think one of my teachers at elementary school used to have an old Windows XP computer and used this screensaver. And last but not least, Windows XP Home Edition. So this is the original screensaver that's originally used every time you start Windows XP. Like, for the first time, this is what it's set to. Pretty cool, huh? So we're gonna leave it at that. So yeah. Anyway, we're gonna take a look at the sounds, so... Wait, there's more sounds to take a look at, so... Let's go into the recycle bin. Actually, no, there's another way. We can try to make the empty recycle bin sound, so...
Why?
We're gonna try to make a new folder.
Why?
What's taking it so long? I just don't know. Oh.
Why?
Now we're gonna... Okay. Move this to recycle bin. And... We're gonna
Why?
click empty recycle bin.
Why? What? What's wrong? You knocked my door! I didn't lose it!
I swear. These sounds are making me laugh my butt off. Okay, so now...
Why?
I think now we're gonna go somewhere else. But wait, we'll go inside the recycle bin, the empty recycle bin right now. We're gonna take a look at these sounds. Maximize and minimize, restore up and restore down.
Where the hose at?
These never get old, guys. They're funny. We'll go on the WordPad next.
Why?
If you didn't know about the start menu, it looks pretty cool, doesn't it? So, gonna make this a little bit smaller. And, like this? Really cool, isn't it? Jeffy's a chicken. Okay.
Why?
Why? Oh, crap. Let's take a look at the other sounds. Wait, I think there's another sound that you can hear when you go to free cell. when you want to resign the game, you might hear that I didn't have to sound. So we're gonna.
Why?
Let's take a listen to it.
I didn't lag it.
That's actually the sound. I didn't lag it. Wasn't that the asterisk? I think it was.
I didn't lag it. I didn't have to.
Okay, there we go. There's the one. So, there's a critical stop sound, which you might hear Jeffy say, mind your own business.
Why?
So, we're going to go to the audio properties and listen to all the sounds that I've used. So, let's take a look at all of them.
I didn't lag it. And you need to mind your damn business, bitch! Why? I didn't have to. Where the hose at? What? What's wrong? You knocked my door. I didn't lose it. Okay, KO. You fight till the end. You are my best friend. Let's be heroes. Okay, KO. Let's start the show.
And now, here's the sound you've all been waiting for. So those are all the sounds right here for this theme. I mean, I know I made this up just because there's some sounds from Super Mario Logan, but it's still pretty good. I'm very glad I had done this really well. So now we're gonna go. Oh, frig off. Frig off. We're gonna go into the Windows XP tour. We're gonna take a look at all of the things up there.
Welcome to Windows XP from Microsoft, the new version of Windows that brings your PC to life. Experience the best. Experience Windows XP. See for yourself how easy Windows XP is to use. Take this brief tour. Safe and easy personal computing. Thanks to Windows XP, personal computing just got a whole lot easier and more fun. Unlock the world of digital media. Windows XP is your ticket to exciting digital media at home and on the internet. The connected home and office. Get connected. Windows XP makes it easy to share and link computers. To begin the tour, click any selection. Friendly new screens, simplified menus, and a whole lot more. Discover Windows XP's fresh, streamlined design. Get acquainted with key tasks and basic commands.
We're gonna go over all of them. Windows Desktop, icons, Taskbar, Start menu, Files and Folders, Windows, Control Panel. We'll watch the last one, ending your session.
When you want to interrupt your Windows session and let someone else use the computer, go to the Start menu. That's where you can log off and switch users, and Windows XP will be ready to welcome a different user. When everyone's finished, you can turn off the computer. The next time you log on, the welcome screen will be the first you'll see. Just click your name, type your password if you have one, and you'll be back at the Windows desktop. Windows XP makes personal computing easy and enjoyable. Power, performance, a bright new look, and plenty of help when you need it. It's all here, along with unmatched dependability and security. Faster, smarter, safer. Windows XP packs the punch you need for top performance and enjoyment. You get all the power and dependability of Microsoft's most advanced operating system technology. And to ensure your version of Windows XP is always the very latest, automatic updates are available at your command from the Microsoft website. Windows XP delivers greater dependability and increased efficiency. Windows XP works harder so you can work smarter. Easier to learn and use. Better help for every
We're going to unlock the world of digital media.
Unlock the exciting world of digital media at home, at work, and on the internet. Photography, music, videos, computer games, and more. Built-in photo sharing and organization. With Windows XP, playing music, video,
We're going to watch this one, of course.
Like listening to music and watching videos? Windows XP includes Windows Media Player, so it's a cinch to tune in internet radio, download music or movies from the web, and watch streaming and video broadcasts. Of course, you can also play your own CDs. Windows Media Player makes it easy to create your own customizable jukebox. Just copy your personal CDs onto your computer or download music from the internet. Arrange selections in any order you want. Store the playlist, and the computer will play your selections back, one after another in any order you choose, anytime you like. You can even make your own CDs. Optimized for games and DVDs. The latest DirectX technology gives you the enhanced power, performance,
Let's get to the
and
connected home and
reliability
office.
Share files, photos, music, even a printer and internet connection, all on a network that's private and secure. Multiple users, a cinch to switch. With Windows XP, it's easier than ever to share a single computer among several users. Each person using the computer can create a separate password-protected account with personalized settings and private files. Multiple accounts can be live on the computer at the same time. Switching back and forth is fast and simple. If someone wants to check email while you're working, they simply switch over to their account. There's no need for you to close your programs and log off. The other user won't see your files while they're working, and when you switch back, you won't see theirs. You'll find the screen exactly as you left it. Networks, powerful and
We're going to
practical.
skip to the last one.
Let the
So,
wizard do the
this
work.
is the last one we're going to watch. Take a look at it.
Data protection, inside and out. Windows XP contains powerful new features designed to keep your computer network running no matter what. Sophisticated protection software guards each computer's operating system. It also establishes a protective barrier, or firewall, that shields the entire network from outside hackers and viruses spread over the internet.
Okay, so that's all the tour. I'll do the whole tour. I'll do the whole thing, like, when I do, like, the 2020 edition of the Windows XP Dell Dimension 4600 walkthrough. You know, the 2020 edition of the Dell Dimension 4600 walkthrough. I'll do that in April, so, like I said. Anyway, about the Windows XP tour, on the professional version, Best for Business is on there, so...
Why?
Anyway, crap, I just...
Why?
What did I just do? Remove from this list.
Why?
That's better. Next thing we know, we're gonna go into, we'll go to Windows, Windows Media Player.
Why?
Let's take a look at what it looks like. So, this is Windows Media Player 11. Windows XP originally has Windows Media Player 9, but this is Windows Media Player 11. So these are the songs. I'm gonna scroll through all of it. Why isn't it doing that? Oh. Yeah, there used to be David Byrne on this, but for some reason it got deleted. I don't know why. Alright, that's all Windows XP Media Player. That's all Windows Media Player right there.
Why?
Now we're going to take a look at Internet Explorer.
Why?
I don't care if anyone says nobody uses Windows Internet Explorer anymore, because it's like out of date, but I don't care. I still love Internet Explorer. I use it most of the time, but I sometimes use Google Chrome, not on this computer, because, you know, Windows Google Chrome is not on this computer. So, and you know, the internet, there used to be internet on this computer, but not anymore. For some reason, this computer doesn't have internet anymore, which sucks. So, I think when you try to scroll through down, there's like a... Yeah, there's some... Yeah, there's some things I saved on there. Yeah, all these favorites are old. I miss these a lot. I think what I'll do is I'm gonna go to this homepage of the Wiggles. I mean, we're on offline, so when you see something that's glowing black and is like you could use it offline, you can eventually like use it. So we're gonna click go to home on this. Come on, let me do it. Thank you.
Henry the Octopus! We're the Wiggles! Henry the Octopus! Let's play!
Let's go there. You can go there offline if you want to. Go to games, you can go there. Now this computer only lets me play 2 games, hats and instruments, but the other games you need to be online to do these, so we'll go to hats first.
Ahoy there, me hearties! Yeehaw! Hi, everybody! I'm Henry the Octopus! Let's go sailing on the waves, the harbor we sail, okay?
Alright, so now we're going to go to instruments, take a look at that. Now we're going to turn the volume down a little bit because it's going to be loud. It's a little loud, so I turned down the speakers just in case. Still a little loud, but it'll do. Brown girl in the ring, tra la 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 la. Now we're going to try to make a noise, and we're going to turn this down a bit because it's going to be very completely loud. So I turned down the volume on my speaker once again. Close enough now, so let's turn it back to where it was. And I think we're good, so let's get out.
Why?
Now we're going to do Spider Solitaire.
Why?
You know what? I'm not gonna do the rest of this. It's gonna be a waste of time.
I don't have to.
Okay, so now we're gonna take a look at there are some downloaded things on here. So for example, oh yeah, there are some things that came with this laptop too. So not the laptop, desktop, I'm sorry. There are some programs on this Dell Dimension 4600. There are some programs that came with this desktop computer, the Dell Dimension 4600. So we're gonna first go into Music Match Jukebox.
Why?
So is it gonna load or not? Oh, there it is. That startup sound, it brings back so many good memories. And this is what it looks like right here. Or take a look at this. So I made my own playlist. So take a listen to all these. Isn't that cool?
Get the complete music solution with Music Match Jukebox Plus.
Record more MP3s faster.
Up to 40x.
Create custom CDs in less time with Burner Plus.
Volume level all your tracks for a balanced sound.
And get accurate song, artist, and album information with super tagging.
You can also customize and save equalizer settings and choose visualizations and enhance the way you listen to music. Unlock your jukebox's potential.
Click on the banner and instantly upgrade to Music Match Jukebox Plus.
Music Match. Music Match. Freedom for music lovers.
Pretty cool, isn't it? So we're gonna try to add a new track to the. Oh, frig off! No, we're not doing that. No, shut up. Okay, now we're gonna try to add a new music file to the music library. So where do you go to do this? I don't get it. Okay, I think I'll probably go to my documents and then. I don't know. This is hard. I think I gotta find that file I'm supposed to get, so let's just give me a minute. Alright, so I found a way to get this added to the.
Why?
Right. There we go.
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
Form the banana, form the banana, form the banana, go bananas, go pop, pop the ketchup.
Okay, so that's good. Now we're gonna get out of here now. And I think we're gonna go for a few more things before we turn off this computer. So we're gonna go to Windows Movie Maker.
Why?
Why? Okay, let's see. What do we do? take a look at this part right here on this movie project I made myself. Really cool, isn't it?
The more you need her help, the more she lets you down. The more you like the way she walks.
Okay, so pretty cool, isn't it?
Why? Why?
Okay, so let's now we're gonna move on to something else. So here's another downloaded thing. This is Encarta Encyclopedia Standard Edition 2004. We're gonna go in there.
Why?
And we're gonna take a look at the one thing right there. So click on Discover Even More, and we're gonna take a look at the video. So let's take a look.
Why?
And last, we're gonna go somewhere that
Why? Why?
you're gonna really love it. So yeah, there's also included Microsoft money, but we're gonna actually go into Pinball,
Why?
3D Pinball Space Cadet. So I'm not really gonna play it, but you know, but the volume's gonna be a bit loud here in this game, so we're gonna turn it down. No, we're not gonna do much of this, so let's get out. So,
Why?
oh, turn it back up to where it was. So anyway, I think that's about it for this video. But we're gonna take a look at the control. We're gonna go to the control panel first. So let's go there. You could choose between appearance and themes, printers and other hardware, network and internet connections, user accounts, add or remove programs, date, time, language, and regional options, sounds, speech, and audio devices, accessibility options, performance and maintenance, and security center. So we're going to take a look at the speech. So let's go to sound, speech, and audio devices, and we're going to go to speech. And we'll take a listen to this.
You have selected Microsoft Sam as the computer's default voice.
Take a listen to this. Now let's play it fast. Come on, let me... Why doesn't it want to do this? The mouse doesn't want to cooperate. I'm very sorry. Alright, now slow. Oh my goodness. Sounds like he's drunk from that Rafflecopter. Oh my gosh. That's hilarious. Man, that is really funny. Now let's play it normal one more time. One more time. Okay, I think that's it now, so let's get out of here.
Why?
We're gonna turn off the computer.
Why?
So yeah, this one right here, that's where you can learn where you can turn off the computer. So I think we're gonna turn off the computer since we need to end this video. So let's turn off the computer. So yeah, you'll take a listen to the shutdown sound I have, so. Hopefully, yeah. You know, I cannot wait for April. So, yeah, in April 2020, we're going to be doing that 2020 edition of the Dell Dimension 4600 walkthrough, if you didn't know. So, here it is. Windows XP shutting down in 2020. Alright, logging off, saving settings, and Windows is shutting down. Just turn off the speaker. We're gonna wait till this computer shuts down and gets back to the. Let's wait till it turns off. So the screen doesn't fade to black when it's after it's done shutting down. It actually immediately cuts to a black screen. So, and that's how it will be after it shuts down. So, yeah. I don't know why this camera doesn't want to freaking focus, but yeah. Alright, and it's shut down now, so yeah, there we go. So anyway, that's going to be it for this video on using Windows XP in 2020. So, that will do it. So this was a long video, but hope you all enjoyed it. Coming soon in April 2020, the walkthrough for the Dell Dimension 4600 in the 2020 edition. So I will see you all there when I make that video in there, or the walkthrough, when I make that walkthrough. Yeah. So yeah, I've got other videos to make now, but when April 2020 comes, when I start, in the middle of April, I'll start doing that walkthrough. So, with that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video. And once again, shout out to Sonic Sulca for being in this channel. So, it's in the description if you want to see it. So, with that being said, viewers, I hope you enjoyed. This is Colton Tackett on Sonic and OKKF Fanatic 2020 signing off. Have a great time.